Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be playing a bit of Roblox again. And I'm thinking of, instead of Adopt Me, we should play Flood Escape maybe. Okay, my thing takes a while to load, so you can skip this part. Joining server. Wow, there's this person who has 2,854 wins. That's a lot. Okay, let's play. And let's buy everything we need first. Let's buy a dash. I have no idea what a flood shard's for, but I feel like it might be useful. And a trophy. Let's take this out. Oh man, it's full. Okay, yeah, let's go to medium. What is taking so long? Oh, wait, round beginning. Yay! Which one is this? I don't think I've ever done this one. My friend taught me how to get up here. Oh no! There we go. Oh wow, everybody made it before me. And I tried to take the shortcut. You know, I think I shouldn't use a gravity coil to get inside because I think it'll be hard. Where's everyone else? Oh. Oh no. Are they gonna make it? No. Just us two left. Let's head back inside. Wait, I don't think I've ever done this. Oh, wait, this one. There we go. Hit the button. Let's try to get up on here. Yes. Did I just fall off? Okay, I thought I fell off. Where's the green button? Is there even a green button? There's no green button in this one. Yay. Yes, code cracker. I'm good at obbies in this game, but like in games like Tower of Hell and stuff, it's pretty hard for me too. Dude, come on. Do it quickly. Oh no, I can't figure it out. No. Please, 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 please. Yes, yes, yes. No! I was so close. That's it. Setting. Okay, let's go to medium again. Hopefully there will be more people to press the buttons. And help us figure out the code, definitely. I feel like I'm just letting everybody do the work. Oh, I feel like that girl... I think Kawaii Frog is not gonna make it. No. No, Kawaii Frog. No, she was so close. Okay, let's extended event. yeah, I gotta get my gravity coil out. Oh man, he already pressed the green button. I wanted to do it. Yes. There's one more person remaining. Come on, you can make it. We need more button pressers. Why are you just standing there? Oh, yeah, I haven't done this one before. Where is that guy? Okay, let's head back. Next time, he's pressing the button. I really don't like pressing the buttons except for the green ones, so. No, 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 no. I'm usually so good at this game. What happened to me? Okay, there's intermission over here. Medium again, because we didn't make it. No, 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 exit again. Okay, dang it. I wish we exited, because easy would have been better. Ooh, they died. I don't like using my gravity coil for this part. There we go. Yes, everybody made it besides one of the people. I feel bad for them. I don't really know what to do over here. Oh, we go over here. So, how about we try extreme? After we try extreme, it'll be the end of the video. I haven't actually done these before, so I'm really excited to try them. It's so dark in here. Oh, I think we go in here. At least let's bring some light in this place. It's too dark. Oh, there's only one room. Okay, let's... This is so scary! Wait, why can't I get in? Okay, fine. Select map. Oh, no. No, I want to go back. I want to go back. I don't want to go. No! So scared, and I don't even have a gravity coil anymore. Oh, no. It just turned black. I also have, like, limited oxygen. Let me try to get out of this place. What do I do? In the comments below, please tell me how to do this one, because I've actually never done these. Oh. Oh. Yay. Run, 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 run. Wait, why can't I go through? I'm so bad. Do I hit this button? I can't. Oh, well, let's just go over here. So, oh, it's on this side. That's why. Oh my gosh, we're gonna run out of air soon. Oh my gosh, it's flooding so quick. What am I doing? Yes, we made it. So scared. This is tensioning me. I'm going to die. like I don't want to be alive. Oh, I'm happy I died. That is so tricky. How are people supposed to do that? Okay, well, that's it for my video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will make more videos the more you like and subscribe. And please share this with others. Yeah, that's it for my video. Bye. Bye, guys. Okay.